Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and we're just hanging out down on the workbench today, and it's been really hard to find some content. Have a nice cup of coffee for the morning. But anyway, I was digging through some boxes, and I realized I had this. This is one of those cool little crank-up flashlights, but this one's got a bit of a problem. If I crank it, the light will come on. However, if I turn this off, like I'm supposed to do, and crank this, and you're supposed to crank this about 50, 100 times, it doesn't hold a charge. See, I turn it on and it doesn't work. But when I crank it, everything still works. So my guess is there's a capacitor in here that has blown up, like somebody maybe overcranked it or something. There's a capacitor in there that's gone out. So let's take it apart and figure it out. Here we go. That lifts off the top. The hell? So look at this, folks. It doesn't have a capacitor in it. It has a battery in it. And most people know what a 2032 is usually used for. That's a motherboard battery, just random remote controls, like really thin remote control batteries and stuff like that. Let's see here. Let's take this apart. So I guess first thing we need to do is pop this battery out. If I can get it out. Let's pop this battery out and see if it's got any voltage. There we go. Let's give this a quick test with our voltmeter. It's got about half a volt in it. Just a little over half a volt. So let's dig around in the workbench here. I know I got some button cells somewhere. Here we go. Alright, well, we know that one's a potato, so we'll just set that aside. I got these 4 other button cells that I've rescued out of other things. Let's see if one of these has some voltage to it. This guy right here. I got 3.2 volts. That one's a potato. That one is a potato. This has got 3.36 volts, and this one's got 3.19. So we'll go with the highest voltage one. Make sure we put this all back together correctly. I find it funny that they wasted money on a battery holder and a battery when they could probably use a couple of capacitors, get the same results out of it, and save a few cents. Which is kind of hilarious, honestly. But hey, at least this way we can go in and repair it real easily, I guess. Let's see here, and then this goes on the front. There we go. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, we got a little bit of light coming out of it. Shut it off. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. Managed to bring that back to life. This would be a great little thing to keep in the car. Well, there you have it. It's kind of interesting. I'm still baffled on why they didn't use just a couple of capacitors in there instead of a battery holder and one of these 2032 batteries, but hey, we fixed it up. We got another fun tool to keep around. And that's going to be it for today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun. Stay in the house, keep safe too, Pete.